What's the meaning of battleground? Battleground. Battleground.
Battleground. Battleground. The term battleground refers to a location or area where a conflict or competition between opposing forces takes place. This can refer to physical spaces, such as battlefields or sports arenas, or metaphorical arenas, such as electoral politics or business markets. In a literal sense, battlegrounds are often associated with warfare or military conflicts, where opposing armies engage in battle. However, battlegrounds can also take on wider meanings, encompassing social, political, and cultural struggles. The term suggests a sense of intense competition, where competing forces clash for dominance or victory. Battlegrounds often involve high stakes and are characterized by fierce and often protracted battles.